Dear children, now let us solve the questions of the chapter Arithmetic Progression given in the Model Question Paper SSLC Mathematics 2025-26. Take the questions from the Model Question Paper first. First question, the arithmetic progression in the following is. Here, to find whether it is arithmetic progression or not, we have to find out the difference between the consecutive number, or we have to find whether same number is added to the previous number to get the next number. Here you observe 1, 2, 4, 8 are there. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Same number is not added. Here A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3 are not same. Now you take this one. Here 3, 7, 10, 14 are there. Here you observe 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11 must be there. 11 plus 4, 15 must be there. So it is not an AP. Then 1, 4, 9, 16. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. Same number is not added. Here you take 5, 9, 13, 17 are there. 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 4, 17. Same number, 4 is added to get the next number. Here the common difference is there. Common difference is 4. Therefore, this is an AP. Option D is the answer. 5, 9, 13, 17. This is AP. Then next take second question. In an arithmetic progression, the 7th term is 12 more than its 4th term. Find the common difference. Given that 7th term is 12 more than its 4th term. So you take A7 is equals to 12 more than 4th term is A plus 12. 7th term is 12 more than 4th term. Means A7 is 12 more than A4. So A7 is equals to A plus 12. A7 is A plus 60 equals A4 is A plus 3D, then plus 12. Plus 12, you can cancel this A and A. One A is in the LHS and the other A is in the RHS. Then you take DD together. 6D minus 3D. 6D minus 3D equals 12. 6D minus 3D is 3D equals 12. D equals 12 by 3 equals 3 ones are 3 fours are 4. You got, therefore you write D equals 4. Question number 3, 2 marks question. In an arithmetic progression, if S20 equals A20, A20 equals 79, then find its first term. Here S20 is given and A20 is given. What we have to find out? We have to find first term. S20 is the sum of 20 terms. A20 is the 20th term. N is equals to what? N is equals to 20. Then you write S20 equals A20. Then you take L equals A20, which is equals to 79. And N equals what? N equals 20. What we have to find out? We have to find the first term. A is to be find out. Write the formula for Sn having N, A and L. N, A and L. Then you write Sn equals N by 2 into A plus L. S20 is equals to N is 20. 20 by 2. A is to be find out. L is 79. That is the last term, 20th term. That is, you write 79. So S20 is equals to what? 820. You write that is equals to 820. Then 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 into A plus 79 is equals to 820 equals 820. You can cancel this 0 and this 0. One is in the LHS and the other is in the RHS. So you got A plus 79 is equals to 82. Then A equals 82 minus 79. Transfer the 79 to the RHS. Then you will get A is equals to 82 minus 79. 82 minus 79 is 3. You know that 79 plus 3 is 82. Means 82 minus 79 is A. So then the first term is 3. A is the first term. Right. First term is 3. Come to the fourth question. How many numbers between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6? It is 4 marks questions. Now, the numbers between 200 and 401 which are divisible by 6. Here, the number is after 201 and before 401. It must be between 201 and 401 means it must be after 201 and before 401. So after 201, which number is divisible by 6? That we have to find out. So you take 201 divided by 6. 6 2s are 18. 18 means 2. 20 minus 18, 2. 2 1 and 6 3s are 18. Then what is remaining here? 3 is remaining. So if 201 is divided by 6, what will be the remainder? 3. So add 3 to this number, that is 201. So here already 3 is there. To divide by 6, 6 must be there. You know that 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. So which is the first number divisible by 6? 201 means up to this plus extra 3 equals 204. So which is the first number divisible by 6 after 201? 204. 204 is the first number after 201 divisible by 6. One more test you can do to find the number greater than 201 which is divisible by 6. You must know that the divisibility test by 6 is the number must be divisible by 2 and 3. It must be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then you can say that that number is divisible by 6. So you take the number 202, 203, 204 like this way. 202 is divisible by 2 but not by 3. So it is not divisible by 6. 203, here 2 plus 3, 5 is there. It is not divisible by 3. 204, 2 plus 4, 6. It is divisible by 3 and also it is divisible by 2. So the first number divisible by 2 and 3 is 204. So you can conclude the first number after 201 divisible by 6 is 204. First number is 204. Next number add 6, that is 204 plus 6 is 210. Second number divisible by 6 is 210. Next number again you add 6. 210 plus 6 is 216. Last number. Then you try 401 means take the number 400. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is divisible by 2. But is it divisible by 3? No, it is not divisible by 3 because the sum of all the digit is 4 you are going to get. So it is not divisible by 3. Then take the next number 399. Then it is not divisible by 2, so you can leave it. 398. It is divisible by 2, but you check it by 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. It is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6 also. Next you take 7. It is not divisible by 2, so you can say that it is not divisible by 6. Then you take 6. It is divisible by 2. Then you check it by 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is in the table 3. Therefore, 396 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then it is divisible by 6. Then you can take the last number which is divisible by 6 before 401 is 396. Then you can take 396. This is the last number. Then what we have to find out, how many numbers between 201 and 401 are divisible by 6. So you take, this is the first number and this is the last number, that is the nth term, and n is to be find out. Then you take a equals what? 204. Then D is 6 here because the number must be divisible by 6, means D is always 6, or otherwise you can do A2 minus A1. 210 minus 206, which is equals to 210 minus 204, not 6, is equals to 6. Then consider this is the last term, nth term, an equals 396. Last number before 401 divisible by 6 is 396. Then what you have to find out, how many numbers are divisible by 6 between 201 and 401. 201 and 401. N is to be find out. Which formula we have to write? Write an equals a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equals to what? 396. 396. A is 204 plus n is to be find out, write n only, n minus 1, d is 6. 6 equals 396. Transfer this to the RHS. Write n minus 1 into 6 in the LHS. N minus 1 into 6 equals 396 minus 204. 396 minus 204. 6 minus 4, 2. 9 minus 0, 9. And 3 minus 2, 1. 192. N minus 1 into 6 equals 192. Then n minus 1 equals 192 by 6. Divide 192 by 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 is remaining. 1 2. 6 2s are. So 6 1s are 6. 32s are 192. Is equals to what? 32. Therefore, you got n minus 1 equals 32. N minus 1 equals 32. N equals what? Transfer this minus 1 to the RHS. That becomes 32 plus 1, which is equals to 33. Then how many numbers are divisible by 6? Then you write 33 numbers are divisible by 6 between 201 and 401. How many numbers are divisible by 6 between 201 and 401? 33 numbers. Question number 3rd and 4th are OR questions. They are of 2 marks. Now you take the 4 marks question, 5th question. The sum of the first 10 terms of arithmetic progression is Sn equals 3n square plus 2n. Find the nth term of the progression. If this progression consists of 59 terms, then find the sum of the last term of the progression. Find the sum of last 10 terms of the progression. Here given that Sn is equals to 3n square plus 2n. What we have to find out? We have to find the nth term. Nth term means which term? Here how many terms are there? 59 terms. Which term becomes the nth term? 59th term becomes the nth term. And also we have to find the sum of last 10 terms, S10. So here we have to find out an, which is equals to a59. In the first case we have to find out the nth term, that is the 59th term, and also we have to find out the sum of last 10 terms. Last 10 terms means here 59th term is the last term. To find 59th term, what you have to do? Here you know the relation an equals Sn minus Sn minus 1. And we have to find out 59th term. Then you can have a59 is equals to, in the place of n, what you have to take? 59. S59 minus S59 n minus 1 means 59 minus 1, which is equals to 58. So you write 58. So A59 means S59 minus S58. Here Sn is, write Sn equals 3n square plus 2n. Sn equals 3n square plus 2n. By using this, find S59 and S58. First you get S59 is equals to what? 3 into, in the place of n, write 59. 59 whole square plus 2 into n means 2 into 59. Equals 3 into 59 square means 59 into 59 equals 9 9s are 81. Carry 8. 9 5s are 45 plus 8, 53. 5 9s are 45. 4 carry. 5 5s are 25 plus 4, 29. 1, 5 plus 3, 8. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. So 59 into 59 is 3481. 3481 plus 2 into 59. 9 2s are 18. 1 carry. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. 118. 59 into 2 is 118. Next 3481 into 3. Then you multiply it by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 8s are 24. 2 carry. 3 4s are 12 plus 2. 14. 1 carry. 3 3s are 9 plus 1. 10. 10,443 plus 118. Add 118. 118 to 10,443. 3 plus 8, 11. 1 query. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 1, 5 and 10. So I got 10,561. You got S59 is equals to 10,561, and you find S58. To find S58, again we have to use Sn equals 3n square plus 2n. S58 equals 3 into 58 whole square plus 2 into n is 2 into 58. Then find 58 into 58. Then 58 square. 58 square is 58 into 58. 8 8s are 64. 8 5s are 40 plus 6 46. Plus 8 5s are 40. 4 carry. 5 5s are 25 plus 4 29. 4 6 plus 0 6. 9 plus 4 13. 1 3 3 6 4. That is 3 into 3 3 6 4 plus 2 into 58. 2 into 58 is 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11. 116. Then you multiply 3,364 by 3 into 3. 3 4s are 12. 1 carry. 3 6 is 18 plus 1 19. 1 carry. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. 3 3 is 9 plus 1 10. You got 10092. 10,092 plus 116. Add 116. 6 plus 2 8. 9 plus 1 10. 1 carry 2. So you got 10,208. Then A59 equals S59 minus S58, that equals S59 in 10,561. 10,561 minus S58 is 10,208. So subtract 10,208 by 561. 11 minus 8 3. 5 is remaining 5. 5 minus 2 3. And 10 minus 10 0 you will get. Then A59 is equals to 353. Next we have to find the sum of last 10 terms. Sum of last 10 terms. Last 10 terms means here from which term to which term we have to consider it. Last 10 terms means the last term is A59. 59 minus, including 59 we have to subtract 9 to get 10 terms. So you will get 50. So from A50 to A59, sum from A50 to A59 means up to how much is not required? Up to A49 is not required. So you can do it. Therefore, sum of last 10 terms equals S59 minus S49. Then you write sum of last 59. Sum of last 10 terms equals sum of all 59 terms minus sum of first 49 terms. S59 minus S49 is nothing but sum of last 10 terms. S59 you got how much? S59 is equals to 10,561. Here we have to find out S49. Up to 49 terms, the sum is to be subtracted from up to 59 terms. That is starting first term to 59 terms, sum is S59, and from starting first term to 49 term is S49. If you subtract the first sum of first 49th terms from all terms, sum of all terms, you will get the sum of last 10 terms. Then S59 is known. Then to find S49, again you write the Sn formula. Sn is equals to what? 3n square plus 2n. Sn equals 3n square plus 2n. S49 is required. 3 into 49 square plus 2 into 49 equals 3 into 49 into 49. 9 9s are 81. It carry 9 4s are 36 plus 8 44 plus 9 4s are 36. 3 carry 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19 equals 1 6 plus 4 10 1 9 plus 5 14 1. So you got 2401. 49 square is 2401 plus 2 into 49 is 98. That equals, you multiply 2401 by 3 into 3 equals 3 1s are 3 0 4 3s are 12 1 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 7203 plus 98. You take 98. 8 plus 3 11. 9 plus 1 10. 72 plus 1 is 73. You got 7301. 7301. Then find S59 minus S49. Then you write sum of last 10 terms equals S59 minus S49 equals S59 is 10,561. 10,561. You got it already. 10,561 minus S49 is 7,301. Subtract 7,301 by 10,561. 10,561 minus 7,301. 1 minus 1 0 6 and 5 minus 3 is 2. Here 10 minus 7 is 3. You got 3,260. Therefore, sum of the last 10 terms is equals to what? 3,260. You got all the answer here. Last term, 59th term, and sum of last 10 terms. Now let us take the question from the model question paper 2. In an arithmetic progression, if the third term is 13 and the second term is 8, in an arithmetic progression, if the third term is 13 and the second term is 8, then the first term of the progression. Third term is given, that is 13. Third term means a plus 2d. A plus 2d is equals to 13. Second term is given, a plus d equals 8. If first equation and second equation are taken, by subtracting second equation from first equation, here change the sign, a cancels, 2d minus d is d, 13 minus 8 is 5, you got d equals 5. Then first term is equals to a, that is equals to a1 is equals to what? a2 minus d, a2 is the second term which is 8, 8, d is 5, 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. Then what is the first term? First term is 3, the option A is the answer. Now let us take the second question. Write the formula to find the sum of first terms of arithmetic progression with first term A and the last term L. Here the question must be sum of first n terms. Formula to find the sum of first n terms of AP with first term A and last term L is Sn is equals to n by 2 into A plus L. A is the first term, L is the last term, and n is the number of terms. So the formula to find the sum of first n terms. Question number 3, 2 marks question. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of arithmetic progression 6, 10, 14 using formula. Here we have to find out the sum of first 20 terms of AP 6, 10, 14. Let us write the AP 6, 10, 14, so on. 6, 10, 14, so on. Here the first term is A, which is first. A is the first term. And D is the common difference. Common difference is equals to A2 minus A1, which is equals to 10 minus 6 equals 4. Sum of 20 terms must be find out. Here find the sum of first 20 terms. So you write n equals 20, S20 equals question mark. Write the formula for Sn when A, D, n are given. Sn is equals to what? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Then S20 equals 20 by 2. In the place of n, write 20. 20 by 2 into 2. 2a means 2 into a is 6. 2a means 2 into 6 plus n is 20 minus 1 into d. D is 4 here. D is 4. You can cancel 20 by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Then you write 10. 2 6 are 12. Plus 20 minus 1, 19. 19 4s are. 19 4s are 76. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 into 4 is 76. 10 into 76 plus 12. 6 plus 2, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 88 into 10 is 880. Yes, 20 equals what? 880. That is the sum of the first 20 terms of the AP 6, 10. Next you take the fourth question. That is the OR question of that question paper. Find which term of the arithmetic progression 2, 7, 47 so on is 47 using formula 2, 7, 12 so on is 47. Then you write the AP 2, 7, 12. Write the AP 2, 7, 12. 2, 7, 12 so on. Here what you have to find out, 47 is which term? 47 is which term? So let us take the 47 is the last term, nth term. So take A is equals to the first term 2 and D is equals to A2 minus A1, second term minus first term. A2 minus A1 is equals to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. And let an equals 4. Then you write n equals question. Let an equals 47. Then n equals question mark. Then you write the formula for an to find n by considering 47 is the nth term an. Then you write the formula for an equals a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals to 47. A is 2 plus n is to be find out, write n only, n minus 1, d is 5 equals 47. Transfer this 2 to the RHS by writing n minus 1 into 5 in the LHS. n minus 1 into 5 equals 47. It becomes minus 2. Then n minus 1 into 5 is equals to 45. Then transfer this 5 to the RHS. That becomes n minus 1 is equals to 45 by 5. Transfer this 5 to the RHS. You will get 45 by 5. 5 was the 5 9s are 45. You got n minus 1 equals 9. Then n is equals to 9 plus 1. Then you got n is equals to 10. Therefore, 10th term is 47. Here 10th term of the AP 2, 7, 12 so on is 47. 47 is the 10th term. Question number 5, 4 marks question. The sum of the first 6 terms of arithmetic progression is 42. If the ratio of the 10th term to the 30th term of the progression is 1:3, then find the 13th term of the progression. Or question is also there for the same question from the same question paper. Now let us solve the first question, that is 5th question. Here what is given? Sum of first 6 terms is equals to how much? 42. S6 equals 42. Then ratio of the 10th term to the 30th term. 10th term A10 by A30 equals A10 by A30 is equals to 1:3, that is 1/3. What we have to find out? We have to find the 13th term. A13 equals question mark. To find A13, A and D are required. By using these two relation, let us find out A and D. S6 is given. S6 means S6. Write the formula for Sn is equals to n/2 into, here last term is not given. A6 is not given. In that case, use the formula with ADN. n/2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S6 equals n/2 means 6/2 into 2a plus a is not given, n is 6, 6 minus 1 into d is equals to how much? 42. 2 ones are 2 3s are 3 into 2a plus 5, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5d equals 42, 3 1s are 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 14, 3s are 42. You got 2a plus 5d equals 14. If you want to use elimination method, you write it as it is. Then you take this relation, a10 by a30 equals 1 by 3. a10 by a30 equals 1 by 3. a10 is a plus 9d. a30 is a plus 29d equals 1 by 3. Do the cross multiplication. This into this. 3 into a plus 9d equals 1 into a plus 29d. a plus 29d. Multiply 3a plus 3 into a is 3a plus 3 into 9 is 27 equals 1 into a plus 1 into 29d, 29d. Then transfer a to the LHS and 29 to the RHS. 3a plus 3a minus a equals 29d minus 27d. 3a minus a is 2a equals 29d minus 27d is 2d. 2 2 cancels here. A equals what? D. Consider this is 2. Now you take the first one. 2a plus 5d equals 14. 2a plus 5d equals 14. In the place of a, write d, or in the place of d, write a. So 2a means 2 into d plus 5d equals 14. 2d plus 5d. Here 2d plus 5d is 7d. 7d is equals to 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. You got d is equals to 2. 1d is equals to 2 means d is equals to 2. Then again a is equals to d. Here you write that is from first. Here you have taken from second. This is first. This is from second. You have taken a equals d from second. From second. You got d equals to, then a is equals to d means a is also 2. A equals d equals 2. You got a equals to d equals to what is required? 13th term. A13 equals question mark. To find 13th term, write the formula for an. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 2, d is 2, n is 13. 2 plus 13 minus 1 into d, d is 2. 2 plus 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 2s are 24 equals what? 26. That is a13 is equals to 26. Here you can write a13 because n is equals to 13. Same question or question. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of 4th term and 8th term is 24 and sum of 6th term and 10th term is 44. Find the arithmetic progression and also find 25th term of the progression. Here what are given? Note down. Sum of 4th term and 8th term is given. That is a4 plus a8 equals 24. A4 is a plus 3d. plus A8 is A plus 70 equals 24. A plus A is 2A plus 3D plus 7D is 10D equals 24. Remove 2 common. 2 into A plus 5D equals 24. 2 ones are 2 12s are. You got A plus 5D is equals to 12. Consider this is. Then you take the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. That is A6 plus A10 equals 44. A6 is A plus 5D. A10 is A plus 9D equals 44. A10 is A plus 90 equals 44. A plus A 2A. 5D plus 9D 14D equals 44. Then remove 2 common. A plus 7D equals 44. 2 ones are 2 22s are. Then you take A plus 7D is equals to 22. Consider this is the second one. This is second one. A plus 7D is equals to 22 and the first one is A plus 5D is equals to 12. Write one below the other. First let us take this is bigger one. So write above A plus 7D is equals to 22. First one A plus 5D is equals to 12. A plus 5D is equals to 12. This is second one. This is first one. Here you can cancel this A as they are having same coefficient. Means consider these two are the pair of linear equation. Here you got the pair of linear equation, two variables A and D, and A is having same coefficients. Therefore you can cancel A. Which operation we have to do? Second equation minus first equation. So by second minus 1 you can change the sign here. Cancel this plus A minus A. 7D minus 5D is 2D equals 22 minus 12. 22 minus 12 is 10. You got D equals, or otherwise here only you can do 2 ones are 2 5s are. Then D equals 5 we got. Now we got D value. And to get the value of A, take any one of the equation. Let us take first equation. A plus 5D equals 12. A plus 5 into D is 5 equals 12. A plus 25 is equals to 12. Then A equals 12 minus 25 equals minus 13. A equals 12 minus 25 equals minus 13. Then you got, here you got A and D, A value and D value, and we have to find out the progression and also 25th term. Now let us find out the progression first, arithmetic progression A1, A2, A3. Then you write A1 equals A is equals to minus 13 and A2 is equals to A plus D. A is minus 13 plus 5 equals minus 8. Then A3 is equals to A1 plus D. A1 is minus 13 plus D is here 5 plus 5 equals minus 8. Then A3 equals A2 plus D. A2 is minus 8 plus 5 equals minus 3. Then AP is minus 13, minus 8, minus 3, so on. Then you find the 25th term. Which term we have to find out? 25th term. Then you write the formula for AN. A is equals to what? Minus 13. D is equals to 5. Here which term we have to find out? AN equals A25 is equals to question mark. Then you write the formula for AN. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. A is minus 13 plus N is 25. Here we have to find out A25. In the place of N you take 25 minus 1 into 5. That equals minus 13 plus 24 into 5. That equals minus 13 plus 24 5s are multiply that you will get 120. 24 into 5 is 5 4s are 20 and 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12 120. Minus 13 you will get 10 minus 3 7 11 minus 1 0 107. A25 is equals to 107. Let us continue the solution of the questions of the chapter Arithmetic Progression from the model question paper. Now let us take the model question paper 3. The first question of the model question paper 3 is, if the nth term of an arithmetic progression an equals 2n plus 1, then its fourth term is. Here in the place of n we have to write 4. So you write an equals 2n minus 1, then a4 equals 2 into 4 minus 1 equals 8 minus 1, which is equals to 7. Then the fourth term is 7. Option B is the answer. Then you take the second question, that is 2 marks question. In an arithmetic progression, if the sum of first 4 terms is 20 and the sum of first 3 terms is 12, then find the fourth term of AP, fourth term of arithmetic progression. Here S4 is given and S3 is given. What we have to find out? We have to find out A4. S4 is given, that is 20. S3 is given 12. We have to find out fourth term. S4, S3 are given. To find fourth term, we have to use the relation an equals Sn minus Sn minus 1. That is A4 equals S4 minus S3 equals S4 is 20, S3 is 12. 20 minus 12, that is A4 equals 8. Fourth term of the arithmetic progression is how much? 8. Next you take the third question of that question paper. The question is, if the first term of arithmetic progression is 1 and the 14th term is 53, then find the nth term of this progression. First term of the arithmetic progression is 1, means A equals 1. And 14th term is 53. A4 equals 53. What we have to find out? We have to find out nth term, an. Now you take this a4 and a and get d. After getting d, find out an by using the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you write a4 equals 53. a4 is a plus 3d. a plus 3d, or otherwise you write directly here only. a4 equals a plus 3d equals 53. a is 1. 1 plus 3d equals 53. Then 3d equals 53. Transfer this 1 to the RHS. That becomes 53 minus 1. Then 3d equals 52. d equals 52 by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are. So you got d equals 14. Then write the formula for an. an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. That is a is 1 plus n is not given. In terms of n only we have to express. Then you take 14. d is 14 equals 1 plus 14 into n is 14n minus 1 into 14 is 14. Here you write 14n. 1 minus 14 is minus 13. So you got an equals 14n minus 13. Fourth question. An arithmetic progression consists of 4 terms whose sum is 32. The ratio of the product of first and last terms to the product of second and third term is 7:15. Find the terms of the progression. Here the sum of 4 terms is given, that is 32. And the ratio of the product of the first and last term to the product of the second and third term is given, that is 7:15. We have to find out the terms of the progression, means 4 terms of the progression are to be find out here. Now let us take the 4 terms a1, a2, a3, a4 like this way. Here if a1, a2, a3, a4 are the 4 terms, let us take the middle terms as a minus d and a plus d. And the first term is a minus 3d and the fourth term is a plus 3d. Here the difference is 2d. Why you have to take? If you take the sum of these terms, here minus d plus d cancels and minus 3d plus d cancels, you will get the value of a. For convenient purpose, you must take a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. You can take a1 is a, a2 is a plus d, a3 is a plus 2d, a4 is a plus 3d like this way. But it becomes difficult for us to solve this problem. By taking like this way, it becomes easy for you. So here the 4 terms are a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. So you take, let 4 terms are, let a1, a2, a3, a4 are these. And what is the sum of these 4 terms? 32, right? A minus 3d plus a minus d plus a plus d plus a plus 3d equals 32. Then you cancel minus 3d plus 3d, minus d plus d, a plus a plus a plus a is 4a equals 32. A equals 32 by 4, or here only you can cancel 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are, you got A equals 8. Now the next what is given? The ratio of the product of first and last terms to the product of second and third term. Means the product of first and last means A1 into A4. A1 into A4 by the product of the second and third term. A2 into A3 equals what? 7 by 15. Then A1 into A4. A1 is A minus 3D. A4 is A plus 3D. And A2 is A minus D. A3 is A plus D equals 7 by 15. Here the product of A minus 3D and A plus 3D you can get by using the identity A minus B into A plus B, which is equals to A square minus B square. It is the square of the first term minus square of the second term. Then you write square of the first term is A square minus square of the second term 3D whole square. By here also you can use the same identity, square of the first term minus square of the second term equals 7 by 15. Then write A square minus 3D whole square as A square minus 3D whole square is 9D square. 9D square by A square minus D square equals 7 by 15. Then do the cross multiplication. This into 15 equals this into this one. A square minus D square. Then you write 15 into A square minus 9D square equals 7 into A square minus D square. 15 into A square is 15A square minus 15 nines are 135 D square equals 7A square. 7 into A square is 7A square. 7 into D square is 7D square. That is minus 7D square. Then you transfer this to the LHS and this to the RHS. 15A square minus 7A square equals 135D square minus 7D square. 15 minus 7 is how much? 8A square equals 135 minus 7. 135 minus 7 is 128. That is 15 minus 7 is 8 and 12. 128 D square. Then you can cancel 18 ones are 8. 18 ones are 8. Then 4 is remaining. 18 6 are. You got that A square is equals to 16 D square. A square equals 16 D square. Here what is the value of A? A you got 8. Then you write 8 square equals 16 D square. 8 square is 8 into 8 equals 16 D square. 18 ones are 18 twos are 2 ones are 2 fours are. You got 4 equals D square. That is D square equals 4. D square equals 4. Then you can take D equals root 4 which is equals to plus or minus 2. Plus or minus 2. You can take d equals 2 or d equals minus 2. D equals 2 or d equals minus 2. You can take d equals 2 or d equals minus 2. You will get the same terms. So the four terms are here. A1 is a minus 3d. This is equals to a value is 8. You got 8 minus 3 into 2. If you take this one, d equals 2 equals 8 minus 6 equals 2. Then a2. a2 equals a minus d equals 8 minus 2 equals 6. Then a3 equals a plus d, that is 8 plus 2 equals 10. a4 is a plus 3d equals a plus 3 into 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 into 2 equals 8 plus 6 equals 14. So the four terms are 2, 6, 10, 14. Right? Four terms are 2, 6, 10, 14, and here you can observe 2 into 14 is 28 and 6 into 10 is 60. They can get here the ratio, the product of the first and last term is 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 28. 28 by 60. Then you can take 4 sevens or right, 4 sevens by 4 15s. You got 7 by 15, and the sum 7 plus 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 10 18, 18 plus 14 32. You got the sum 32 and the ratio 7 by 15. If you take minus 2, you will get the numbers in the reverse order. You will get 14, 10, 6, 2. Now you take the fifth question, that is the OR question of the same question of the question paper. Fifth question. A book contains 432 pages. A student wants to read fixed number of pages of the book daily. He reads 25 pages on the first day. From the next day onwards, he decides to read 2 pages more than what he read on the previous day. By using formula, find how many pages will he read on 12th day, and also find the number of days the student takes to read the book completely. Here, totally how many pages are there? 432 pages are there. That is SN. SN equals 432. And on the first day he reads 25 pages, that is the A. A equals 25. And next day onwards he decides to read 2 pages more than what he read on previous day. Means that 2 becomes D. Then you write D equals 2. D equals 2. Here what you have to find out? We have to find out A12 and number of days taken to read the book completely. Means N we have to find out. Here A12 and N equals question mark. You write A12 equals question mark and N equals question mark. Then you write the formula for Sn. Sn equals, here A and D are given. You can find A12 by using the formula An equals A plus n minus 1 into D, or A12 equals A plus 11D also you can do. Here A is given and D is given, and n equals 12 you can put by using the formula An equals A plus n minus 1 into D, or A12 equals A plus 11D also you can write. So you write the formula An equals A plus n minus 1 into D. A12 equals A is 25 plus n is 12 minus 1, D is 2 equals 25 plus D is 2, that equals 25. 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 into 2, 22. 11 into 2 equals 25 plus 11 into 2 is 22. So you got A12 is equals to 25 plus 22 is equals to 47. So on 12th day, how many pages he reads? On 12th day, number of pages he will read is how much? That is 47. On the 12th day, he will read 47 pages. Next, we have to find out n. Use the formula for Sn. Sn equals n by 2 into, here A and D are given, 2A plus n minus 1 into D equals how much? Totally how many pages are there? 432. 432 equals n by 2 into 2 into 25. A is 25 plus n is to be find out, n minus 1, D is 2 equals 432. Then n by 2, 225 is a 50 plus n into 2, 2n minus 1 into 2 minus 2 equals 432. Then n by 2 is what? 2n. 50 minus 2 is 48. 48 equals 432. Then you remove 2 common. Write n by 2 as it is into 2 common. Here 2 is outside, means in the first term you will get n, and 2 into 2 into 4. 2 into 24 is 48 equals 432. You can cancel this 2 and 2. Multiply n and n. N into n is n square. N into 24 is 24n plus 24n, and transfer this 432 LHS equals 0. Now you got quadratic equation, and we have to find the value of n by splitting the middle term method, taking sum and product. Here the product is equals to PQ is equals to n square into minus 432, n square into minus 432 equals what? Minus 432 n square, and P plus Q, sum is equals to the middle term 24n. Then 432 can be factorized. 432, 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 0s are 2 8s are 2 5s are 2 4s are, and 2 27s are 3 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Here minus 432 n square is to be splitted into two terms. As the product is having negative sign, the factors are having different sign, and the middle term is 24n. Therefore, the factors are plus and minus. Now, here 432 you can have 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36, and 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 36 minus 12, 36n minus 12n. So you can write n square plus 24n is 36n minus 12n minus 432 equals 0. N square plus 36n, that is n into n plus 36 minus, here you can take common 12, 12 into n plus 36, 12 into 36 is 432, that you know, equals 0. N plus 36, n plus 36, take it as a common, n plus 36, and here n minus 12, n minus 12 equals 0. Equate each factors to 0. N plus 36 equals 0, or n minus 12 equals 0. Then you write n equals 0 minus 36. Transfer this 36 to the RHS. Then n is equals to 0 minus 12 becomes plus 12. That equals n equals minus 36, n equals 12. You got the value n equals 12. That is, he completes that book in 12 days. He takes 12 days to read the book completely. Here the question is, the student takes how many days to complete the book? Here find the number of days that students takes to read the book completely. Students takes 12 days to read the book completely. Student takes 12 days to read the book completely. Now let us take model question paper 4. First question, if 6x 14 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of x is. Here 6, x and 16 are in AP. When 3 terms are in AP, the middle terms is the average of the first and the third term. Here x is equals to what? 6 plus 14 divided by 2. X equals 6 plus 14 divided by 2. Two numbers, we have to divide it by 2 only. It is the average of 6 and 14. So we have to divide it by 2. Then x equals what? 6 plus 14 is 20. 20 by 2 is equals to 10. Then what is the answer? Option A is the answer. Then you take second question. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is m and the common difference is 3, then find the 10th term of the progression. Here the first term is given a, that is a is equals to m. A is equals to m and d is equals to, the common difference is 3, and we have to find out 10th term, a10. Here you know that a10 equals a plus 9d. A is the first term given m plus 9 into d is how much? 3. 9 into 3, which is equals to m plus 27. m plus 27. 10th term is m plus 27. Then question number 3, third question. Find how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? Here we have to give importance to the 2-digit numbers and also the number which are divisible by 3. Which is the first 2-digit number divisible by 3? First 2-digit number is 10. It is not divisible by 3. Next one is 11. It is also not divisible by 3. Then 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So you take the first number is 12. Next add 3. The next number is 15. Next number is 18. And the last 2-digit number divisible by 3. Last 2-digit number divisible by 3 is 99. Last 2-digit number is 99. It is divisible by 3 because 9 is divisible by 3, 9 is divisible by 3, 33, 3 is a 99. So this is the first number and this is the last number. They are the 2-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. What you have to find out? How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many means n we have to find out. Now you take the first one is the first term and last one is the last term, that is the nth term. Then you take a equals 12. Then d equals a2 minus a1. Second term minus first term. a2 is the second term, a1 is the first term. 15 minus 12. 15 minus 12 which is equals to 3. And let n equals 99 and n equals question mark. Write the formula for an. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equals to what? 99. Then a is 12. 12 plus n we have to find out. N minus 1, d is 3 equals 99. Transfer this 12 to the RHS. Write n minus 1 into 3 in the LHS. N minus 1 into 3 equals 99 plus 12 becomes minus 12. Then n minus 1 into 3 equals 99 minus 12. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. 99 minus 12 is 87. Write 87. Then n minus 1 equals 87 by 3. Then you write n minus 1 equals 87 is divisible by 3 because 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 is in the table 3. Then 87 is also in the table 3. Then you divide it by 3. 3 2s are 6. 2 7. 3 9s are 27. N minus 1 equals 29. Then n equals what? 29. Transfer this minus 1 to the RHS. It becomes plus 1. Then you write n equals 30. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? 30. 30 2 digits numbers are divisible by 3. Fourth question. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression 11, 15, 19, 23, so on. Let us write the arithmetic progression 11, 15, 19, 23, so on. 11, that is A equals 11, and D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 15, A1 is 11. 15 minus 11. 15 minus 11 equals 4. And D, n equals, here we have to find the sum of first 20 terms. Therefore, n equals 20. And Sn equals question mark. Now you write the formula for Sn with A, D and n, because A is known and D is known, n is known. Then you write Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals S20. Here n equals 20, n by 2, 20 by 2, 2a means 2 into 11, 2 into 11 plus n is 20, n minus 1 is 20 minus 1, d is 4, equals 2 ones are 2 tens are, write 20, 2 into 11, 22, plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 4 equals 10, 22 plus 19 fours are 76 equals 10, 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 2, 9. 10 into 98 is 980. Then what is the sum of first 20 terms? Sum of first 20 terms is 980. Fifth question. The 10th term of an arithmetic progression is 2 more than the 3 times of the first term, and the 8th term is 6 more than twice the first term. Find how many terms of the progression make the sum 540. Here it is given that 10th term is 2 more than the 3 times the first term, and 8th term is 6 more than twice the first term. Find how many terms of the progression makes the sum 540. Use this relation. 810 equals 2 more than the 3 times the first term, means 3a. And one more relation, 8th term is a8 is equals to 6 more than twice the first term, 2a. Here we have to find how many terms of the progression make the sum 540. First you take a10 equals 3a plus 2. a10 is a plus 90 equals 3a plus 2. Then take a minus 3a plus 90 equals to, that is 90, a minus 3 is minus 2a equals to, consider this is the first relation. Then you take the second relation, a8 equals 2a plus 6. a8 is a plus 70 equals 2a plus 6. Then you transfer this one, that becomes 7d plus a minus 2a equals 6. That equals 7d minus a equals 6. Here, this is the first equation. This is the second equation what we got. To find a and d, we have to use any one of the method of solving the pair of linear equation in two variables. Here the two variables are a and d. To cancel any one of the variable by elimination method, the coefficient must be same, or otherwise you have to make the same coefficients. But it is better to use the substitution method. You can convert it into a equals. So here transfer minus a to the RHS and 6 to the LHS, then you will get a equals. So you write 7d minus 6 equals minus a becomes plus a. Consider this is second one. Here you got a equals 7d minus 6. Then write the first equation. 9d minus 2a equals to 9d minus 2 into, in the place of a, right, 7d minus 6. 7d minus 6 equals to, then it is 9d minus 2 into 7, minus 2 into 7 is 14, 14d minus into minus plus 6 into 2, 12, plus 12 equals 2. Then 9d minus 14d is minus 5d plus 12 equals to minus 5d equals to, transfer this 12 to the RHS, that becomes minus 12. Then minus 5d equals 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Then 5 ones are 5 twos are, you will get d equals 2. Then you take this d and substitute in the second equation. Write the second equation. What is a is here? A is equals to 7d minus 6. 7d minus 6. Then a equals 7 into d is 2 minus 6 equals 7 twos are 14 minus 6 equals 8. You got a equals 8 and d equals 2. Next, what we have to find out? We have to find how many terms of the progression make the sum 540. Here we have to find out n by taking Sn equals 540. Then you write Sn equals 540, a equals 8, d equals 2, then n equals question mark. Write the formula, Sn formula having adn. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals 540, that is n by 2 into 2a is 2 into 8 plus n minus 1, d is 2 equals 540. Then n by 2, 2 8s are 16 plus n into 2 is 2n minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 equals 540. Then n by 2, write 2n 16 minus 2 is 14 equals 540. Then n by 2, remove 2 common. In the bracket, what you are going to get? N minus 2 sevens are 14. N minus 7 equals 540. Cancel 2 and 2. N into n. N square minus n into 7 minus 7n. And transfer this 540 to the LHS. It becomes 540 equals 0. You got the quadratic equation n square minus 7n minus 540 equals 0. Here the product PQ is the product is equals to what? N square into minus 540, which is equals to minus 540 n square, and P plus Q equals middle term minus 7n. As the product is having negative sign, the factors are having different sign, and the bigger factor is having the sign of the middle term, that is minus 7, minus plus minus 7n is there, so minus plus, and factorize 540. 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 0s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 5s are, and 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. It is in the table 3. 3 4s are 3 5s are, again 3 15s are 3 5s are 5 1s are. The difference is 7. The factors must be 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, and next 5 into 2 into 2, 20. The factors are minus 27 and plus 20. Then you write n square minus 27n plus 20n minus 540 equals 0. Then n is common, remove that outside. N into n minus 27 plus 20 into n minus 27. Here 27, 20 is a 540 equals 0. Then the first factor n minus 27, common factor is there, n minus 27 is there, n minus 27 is there, into n plus 20 equals 0. Then equate each factors to 0. N minus 27 equals 0, or n plus 20 equals 0. Then transfer this minus 27 to the RHS. N equals what? 0 plus 27, or n equals 0. Transfer this to the RHS. 0 minus 20. So n equals 27. This is n equals minus 20. So negative is not a number of terms. Therefore, the number of terms must be n equals 27. How many terms make the sum equals to 540? 27 terms. So write 27 terms make the sum 540. Question number 6. In an arithmetic progression, the ratio of the first term and the common difference is 3:2, and sum of first 20 terms is 1456. Find the arithmetic progression and also find which term of the progression is 62. Here what are given? Ratio between the first term and the common difference is given, that is A is to D equals 3:2. That is a by d equals 3/2. Convert this into a. Express in terms of a or in terms of d. So a equals what? 3/2 into d. Consider this is first one. Then what is given? Sum of first 26 terms is given. Yes, 26 is equals to what? 1456. Then what you have to find out? We have to find the arithmetic progression. And also which term of the progression is 62. Means we need to find out a equals question mark, d equals question mark. A and d are required to find the arithmetic progression and also to find the which term of the progression is 62. Now you write the formula for Sn. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals to 1456. Then n is given here. N is equals to what? 26. Here n is equals to 26 because sum of 26 terms is given. That is 26/2 into 2a. Ax is equals to what? 3/2 d. Write it as 3/2 d plus n. N is 26 minus 1. Write d equals 1456. 2 ones are 2 13s are. Then you write 13 into cancel 2 to 3d plus 26 minus 1 is 25. 25d equals 1456. Write 13 as it is. 13 into 3d plus 25d is 28. 25 plus 3 is 28. 28d equals 1456. Then 13 ones are 13. 1 remaining. 1 5. Again 13 ones are 13. 2 is remaining. 13 twos are. Then 28 ones are 28 fours are. Here 112 by 28. You know that 28 into 4 is 28 into 4. 8 fours are 32. 4 twos are 8 plus 3 11. So 28 ones are 28 and 28 fours are 112. You got d is equals to 4. Or otherwise you can do d equals 1456 by 13 into 28. 13 ones are 13 ones are 13 ones are 13 twos are 28 ones are 28 fours are. So you got d equals 4. Then a equals 3/2 d. A equals 3/2 into d, which is equals to 3/2 into 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 3 twos are 6. You got a is equals to 6. Now you write the AP. Find A1, A2, A3, A4. A1 is equals to A, which is equals to 6. A2 is equals to A1 plus D. A1 is 6, D is 4, 6 plus 4, 10. A3 equals A2 plus D. A2 is 10. 10 plus 4 equals 14. A4 is A3 plus D. A3 is 14 plus 4 equals 18. Therefore AP is 6, 10, 14, 18, so on. 6, 10, 14, 18, so on. Then we have to find out 62 is which term. So consider an equals 62. Then you write here a equals 6, d equals 4, and let an equals 62, n equals question mark. Write the formula for an. An equals a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equals to 62. A is 6, d is 4. 6 plus n minus 1 into d, d is 4 equals 62. Transfer this 6 to the RHS. Write n minus 1 into 4 in the LHS. N minus 1 into 4 equals 62 minus 6. Then n minus 1 into 4 equals 62 minus 6 is 56. So 4 ones are 4, 14s are 14 fours are 56. Then n minus 1 equals 14. N equals 14 plus 1 is equals to what? 15. 62 is 15th term. 62 is 15th term.